The Nairobi peace process, though temporarily sidelined, remains a critical framework for dialogue and conflict resolution in the Eastern DRC. The facilitator remains committed to finding pathways to peace in collaboration with the government of DRC, regional partners, and international stakeholders. However, the recent resurgence of hostilities highlights the urgent need for renewed political will, regional cooperation, and sustained support for peace efforts to avoid further deterioration of the security situation in DRC. The facilitator is of the strong opinion and belief that the two processes of Luanda and Nairobi hold the greatest promise for a resolution and termination of the crisis in the Eastern DRC. The two processes are complementary and interdependent. It is only through the close coordination of the bilateral negotiations between Rwanda and DRC and the inter-Congolese dialogue and conferencing that this crisis can be brought to a fruitful conclusion. There is an African solution to this African problem, and it is predicated on bringing both DRC and Rwanda back to the negotiating table, while at the same time ensuring that the internal dynamics of the people and the politics in the Eastern DRC are managed and directed to a peace and reconciliation through the intra-Congolese dialogue process.